Welcome to Cute Cup Kids TV.
Every morning, Whiskers loved hearing his child's happy voice. It made his tail wag and his heart feel warm. But one day, the house went quiet. The child came home without a sound. Whiskers followed everywhere, listening, waiting, hoping. At night, the child hugged him close, and Whiskers felt a gentle heartbeat. He understood then. Love was still there. The next morning, a tiny whisper returned. Whiskers' ears jumped, his tail danced, and he purred louder than ever. Because even
Good
when
morning,
voices are
Whiskers.
quiet, love always finds a way.